In this video, we will learn the pronunciation and the meaning of the word anticipate. We will also go through some sample sentences and a short conversation to understand the word in detail. Firstly, we will learn the pronunciation. The word pronounce as anticipate, anticipate. Let us move on to the meaning of anticipate. The word anticipate means to expect or predict something in advance. It can also imply taking action in preparation for a future event. Now let us look at some example sentences to see how this word is used. Sentence 1.
We need to anticipate potential challenges in the project and plan accordingly. We need to anticipate potential challenges in the project and plan accordingly. In this sentence, anticipate means to think about and expect possible problems before they happen, so we can prepare for them.
Sentence 2. The company anticipates a rise in sales during the holiday season. The company anticipates a rise in sales during the holiday season. In this sentence, anticipates means the company expects or predicts that sales will go up during the holiday season.
Finally, we will see a short conversation between Bob and Sarah.
We should prepare the guest room tonight.
Why? Is someone coming over?
Yes, we're anticipating a guest tomorrow.
Really? Who's visiting?
My cousin is stopping by for a few days.
Okay, I'll make sure everything is set up for them.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you with next word.